Welcome. I'm Linda Costanzo. I'm a professor of physiology at Virginia Commonwealth University School of Medicine. I also direct the M1 physiology course and the M2 board review course, and I'm one of the assistant deans in charge of the M1 and M2 years. It's a pleasure to participate here today and to encourage you to attend VCU School of Medicine. What you will find here at VCU School of Medicine is a collegial and supportive environment. It's an environment that encourages good work and good scholarship. In fact, I've been here almost 30 years, I think, primarily because of that collegial environment. What this means for you as a student is that it is an open door culture. The faculty welcome you at any time for any reason, whether to talk about course material, to talk about your professional development, which is of great importance to us, or just to talk about life. And you will come to know your professors, they will come to know you, and it really is the beginning of a very significant peer-peer relationship. The M1 year is the normal, and it progresses in a logical fashion. We start with cell biology and biochemistry, on to anatomy, then physiology, neuroscience, behavioral science, and immunology. We teach these courses in blocks, and what you'll find is 2 or 3 courses are typically taught concurrently in a block. Often these courses will integrate with each other in a logical way, and we strive for that integration. At the end of each block there will be an exam and you move on. The students really enjoy the block scheduling because it gives them a chance to really take a breather at the end of a block and a sense of accomplishment. The M2 year is the abnormal. Here we cover pathology, pathophysiology, and pharmacology, which is drug treatment. Again, we teach in blocks. This time the blocks are organized by the systems, the organ systems. Logically, we build from pathology to pathophysiology to pharmacology, and at the end of each block, you'll take an exam. Both in the M1 and M2 years, there's a combination of lecture, small group, teamwork, an active electronic bulletin board, all of which add variety and spice to your life and interest to your life as a student here. One of the landmark and culminating events of the M2 year is that you'll take your Step 1 exam. And we take this very seriously, in fact give you an extensive review course in preparation for the Step 1 exam. Our course includes, first of all, encouragement and support of your endeavor, and secondly, specific directions on how to be successful. And the goal really here is to decrease that free-floating anxiety that's just wasted and turn that into something useful and productive. So what you'll find is that in the fall of the M2 year, we'll start to give you advice on resources, what's best, how to use them, and it's really a win-win. You use these review sources with your courses and the courses benefit, and at the same time you're getting a nice introduction to review books that you'll use later. In the spring of your second year, we continue with the win-win, and we add to that live board reviews where we hit some of the high-yield topics, so give you a chance to hear them again. Finally, I'll meet individually with you, each of you as a student, to devise your own personal study schedule for your Step 1 board preparation. Love to see you here next year. Hope you'll consider VCU School of Medicine. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to email me. I'd love to hear from you. I'd love to answer your questions.